Hey everyone, so I am starting this week's vlog in London City Airport. I am very excitedly going to Dublin with Primark. I'm so excited. I've never been to Ireland before, so I'm really looking forward to ticking it off my list. I've just met up with Emily, Style Lobster. She's gone to get a water, I think, so once she gets back I'm going to grab a tea. And then we're here super early. Our flight is until 9, but it is currently 7:45, so yeah, a lot of chilling to do. I have met up with all the girls. We're on our way to our gate. I've got myself a peppermint tea and a chocolate croissant, and I'm with Zoe. I haven't got any makeup on. I'm very excited. We have just landed in Dublin and look at this bus we've got. Look, that's so cool. So we had a cup of tea at the hotel and now we've come up for lunch. Coffee. And we had coffee. Here's Emily. Can I just say, I sat next to Emily on the plane and I've never seen someone panic as much in my life.
Funny. If anyone's ever flown from City, you'll know what I mean. Those side winds are crazy.
It was turbulent, but it was hysterical. Yeah.
Oh,
I was having a panic attack that you were going to be sick and you were having a panic attack that we were
gonna die.
So yeah. I think it's around here. We had a little taxi ride and I've fallen in love with Dublin. Look at this restaurant. I have sea bass and potato and spinach for lunch.
Very interesting.
So we've just had lunch at, it was a restaurant called Wild in a hotel and it was absolutely delicious. The food was out of this world. And now we're back at the hotel. It's 3:30. I have an hour before I need to be dressed and dolled up for the launch event tonight. I don't know if I mentioned this, but the reason I'm here is because Primark Beauty are launching a new range all about nudes. It's like a nude collection. I'm imagining highlighter, contour, lip products. We'll see. But I wanted to give you a room tour of the hotel we're staying at. The hotel did just lose my bag. I have got it back now, thank God, but that I'm like a bit sweaty under the armpits. I might need a shower. So we have a gorgeous bathroom. Nice hexagon mirror, or is that an octagon? I don't know. Shower with like window panes, mini bar, fridge, bedroom. It's so nice. This hotel is very trendy. It kind of reminds me of Shoreditch. Got a nice full length mirror, which is always great because some hotels don't have full length mirrors in. We've got some little macaroons and we've also been given an itinerary of the event. So this is what we've been up to. At 4:30 we're going to the event and then this is the invitation. We've got international makeup artist Myla Morales there. She's done like makeup for Rihanna and the Kardashians, so I'm really excited. Also, I spotted some goodies on my bed. This is so cute. Oh, these are so soft. We've got some like little slipper footsies, some PJs, got an exfoliating mitt, toothpaste, toothbrush, must have, a little makeup bag that says on fleek, a face massager. And then we have some kind of face and body products, a rescue balm. That might be good on my eczema, actually. I'm going to try that. Lip mask patch, face mask, cleansing pads, great to take my makeup off with tonight. Hair powder, going to use that. And then we've also got a little notebook that is super cute. I am going to get ready now. I will show you what I'm wearing before I leave. Also, I might as well show you what I'm wearing now as well. It's all really affordable. This jumper is from Primark and also this, let me take it off actually. And then I've also got on this ribbed tight jumper, again from Primark, like £6, tucked into some high-waisted jeans with some boots. I like this outfit a lot. And also my bag is from Primark as well. I absolutely adore it. I'm going to be wearing this bag tonight as well. We've just got to the event. Woo! just going to show you the new range and then hopefully I'll show you it clearer tomorrow. But we have this beautiful palette, the PS Nudes eyeshadow collection, and I can't quite believe how beautiful this is, but also how affordable it's going to be as well. It also got a contour and highlighting palette, some nail polishes here in a selection of nude shades. So I've fallen in love with this. It's the Ultra Matte PS Nudes liquid lipstick and it's the shade Voluptuous. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is what it looks like on me. It's just the most beautiful, like peachy pink nude. I'm literally just sitting here playing with makeup. I've lost all my friends. I'm just playing with makeup. Yeah.
I'm not sure they taste like love though.
Oh, what do they taste like?
Not bad.
Just got back to the room after the event. I'm so excited to take these heels off. How nice are they? They're from Primark. I think they were £13. And they were super comfy throughout the night. But my feet are aching now. Also, this jumpsuit I'm wearing, let me show you properly, is also from Primark. I showed this on my Instagram a couple of days ago and I got loads of questions about it. So yes, it's from Primark. I love it a lot. I love the frills at the bottom. I don't know if you can see those. I am just going to put some more kind of comfy clothes on and then I'm going to head down and meet some of the girls for dinner, which should be nice. I think it's like 8:30, so I don't want to get into bed just yet, even though I'm exhausted, because I know that I'll sleep and then I'll wake up in the middle of the night and that won't be good. I don't know how much you could hear of me talking about the products at the events, but I've been left some on my bed, so I'm going to talk you through them now. Oh, this palette is €10, so I don't know what that transfers to in pounds, but it's super affordable. I am going to do my makeup with this tomorrow morning. I'll show you it as I do it actually, because I'm vlogging tomorrow as well. So yeah, cannot wait to use that. They've given me a highlight and contour kit. We've got a cream eyeshadow. I love cream eyeshadows at the moment. And they've given me the lipsticks. I cannot wait to wear this as well. It's one of my favourites. £1.50. €3 for £1.50. That's so good. So affordable. I'm really impressed. The range is out in stores now, so go and check that out. Right, let's get some clothes on and then go meet everyone. We're just in the hotel lobby. I've got a chicken Caesar salad. Yum. Just had my dinner. I had a chicken Caesar salad. I don't know if I showed that, but I just asked at reception for one of these so I can fill out my breakfast for the morning. Snooks. I would like a breakfast tea and an orange juice. They don't do pancakes. Where are the pancakes? Scrambled egg with mushroom, tomato, sausage. I mean, that's quite heavy for the morning, early morning, but that, I guess that would do. I am going to put my pyjamas on and get straight into that bed. I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's quite early. I think 7 o'clock. I'm up. I have done my foundation and my brows. I'm now going to do the rest of my makeup whilst I wait for my breakfast in bed. To be honest, I could probably do without wearing any makeup today, but I really wanted to try this. Okay, I think I'm going to start with a nice, maybe like a nude base all over my eyelid. Oh, nice. And then I am going to take maybe one of these matte nudes and I'm going to sweep that on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to try and copy the technique that the makeup artist at the class used yesterday, and that was like just very light sweeping. Don't know if you can see that, but it's super pretty. It has got a lot of pigment, but I've used a very light hand to kind of sweep the colour over, so it's not too harsh, it's more natural and blended. I'm going to put on mascara and then contour. I am now going to add some lipstick before I contour. I'm going to be using this. This is the PS Nudes Matte Lipstick in the shade Naked Flame. I just love the packaging of this. It's like really nice and matte. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then the contour kit comes with the contour stick duo, a highlighter stick duo, a brow highlighter and a blender as well. I'm going to use some brow highlighter. Highlight my brow bone. That's really pretty. Look at that glow. And I'm also going to use it in the inner corner of my eye. So the cream contour stick comes with 2 ends of contour. And it comes with a brush and a sponge, so I'm just going to use the brush end to buff that in. Look at my cheekbones. It looks quite harsh on camera, but in real life it looks really natural. I'm going to contour my nose a tiny bit as well. Much better. And highlighter. Here is the finished look. Breakfast has arrived. I've got some orange juice, some melon, which looks like carrots. Got some hot bread. They've told me to boil the kettle for my tea. And I've got yum. We are now at Dublin airport. I've got myself a peppermint tea, which is leaking everywhere, for the trip. And also we got to choose a truffle if we ordered a drink at the cafe we went to. So I've got a hazelnut one. I used to live down there. I've just got home now. I am so tired, but I had such a lovely trip. It was so nice spending some quality time with some of my blogger friends and talking about work and stuff, because it can get quite lonely working by yourself. It's nice to see how others do it. So I was asking Ree was there. I haven't seen her in a while, and I was asking about her, what her like daily routine is and like what she does in a day, and it's just really interesting hearing how others do it. It always inspires me as well, which is nice. So yeah, I think it's like lunchtime. I think it's like 1 o'clock. I popped into prayer at the airport and show you what I got. Water, important to stay hydrated. I got myself one of these. I've never ever had one of these before. It's a ginger shot, but I do feel like I've got something at the back of my nose where it could turn into a cold, and I can't have that happen because I'm going on holiday with my family to America on Friday. So I'm going to do a ginger shot. I've also got myself a cheese and ham baguette. I normally have this with ketchup, but I don't have any ketchup in the house. Eat this. I made myself a cup of tea as well. I'm going to do some editing now. I've got so much to do. Also, it's Valentine's Day today. I obviously don't have anyone to spend Valentine's with because I'm very single, but I am gate crashing. I do feel quite bad about this. I'm gate crashing my parents' Valentine's Day meal tonight. So I think at like 9 PM we're going for dinner. My dad's booked us dinner for me and my mum. I'm really excited to see them and spend some time with them because they are the loves of my life. And Echo, obviously. Echo is asleep at the moment, my hamster. I'm hoping that she'll come out a bit later so I can see if she's feeling any better. Okay, so it's like 9 o'clock, it's so late, and I'm only just leaving to meet my parents now. I'm gate crashing, I can't remember if I said this, but I'm gate crashing their Valentine's meal. Oh, my bus is here, wait 1 sec. Oh, what I was saying before my bus came is I'm meeting my parents for Valentine's Day meal. It was going to be just my dad and my mum, but my dad booked a seat for me at the table as well, which is really kind of him. I think he feels sorry for me because I'm alone, but no, I would have been happy getting an early night, to be honest. I'm exhausted, but I'm really looking forward to seeing them. So I'm just on the way to the restaurant now. I have met my parents for dinner. We have a very romantic red rose, and my dad's bought me some roses and some love hearts. I'm here with my mum and my dad. This is my main. It's a lump of steak with some potato dauphinoise. I've just got home now. My dad bought me the most beautiful red roses. So nice. I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm going to get straight into bed, but I hope you've enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe, check out the links down below, and I'll see you on Sunday for my Roaccutane Q&A.